Hey guys, my name's Cody, and my friend here, Cody, as well. Yeah, his name's Cody. We're gonna do a bike check for our two bikes: 2010 Stolen Stereo and the 2010 GT Fueler. Here we go. Well, first off, this is my bike. 2010 Stolen Stereo. Nice bike, pretty good bike. I'm into it. Got some stolen rims. Got the stolen Tornado forks. Nice bike. I like the grips. Stolen money grips. They're very grippy. It's my 25 tooth sprocket. It's a stolen class ring. Stolen. Engraved into it. Yep, sure is. You see that? My rims. Again. Stolen. Sure is. Here's the back tires Kenda. Got the Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. I'll probably change them out eventually. The stolen convict stem. Yep. Got mid bars on it right now. I have to get used to them. Stolen. Stereo. Overall, nice bike. Pretty nice. Here's my friend Cody. And he will show you his bike, the GT Fueler.
Alright guys, I got my OD long neck grips that I just got. They're brand spanking new. I got my pretty sick stem here. It's really small, really light, GT all over it. There you go. The fueler. Got GT in there. Got my Alienation rims. Kenda tires. 100% chromoly frame. My 25 tooth sprocket. GT in there, engraved in there. Yeah. Then I got Bob Marley on my seat because it's Rasta. Got my dance comp sticker on there. Got to represent. Yep. That's my bike. Have not had any problems with it. There's Cody.
Yep, these are our bikes. Pretty nice. Yeah, of course, you got to sit on it. Wiping it all. Light bike, too. I could throw this over my head backwards. Naked. Thank you.